We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this quick and simple video I will show how you can disable emergency SOS in Oppo. So in order to turn off all the shortcuts and quick access gestures for the emergency phone calls on your Oppo mobile device, you will need to go into settings, then find and enter the safety and emergency category, and in here you can just disable the emergency SOS toggle like that. And if you would like to completely disable any emergency access, an emergency phone call quick access, which I do not recommend doing, but if you feel like it, well, be your man, be your own man, and you do you. You can also turn off the quickly access emergency call pay switch. And well, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.